The Cayenne S Coupe is powered twin-turbo by a 4.0-liter V8 engine with a maximum power output of 468 HP and a drag torque of 442 pounds-ft. V8 engines stand for exceptional power output, torque, low vibration operation, and a characteristic sound. The price of the 2025 Porsche Cayenne Coupe starts at $91,795 and goes up to $131,495, depending on the trim and options. The Cayenne Coupe is already a bit of a vanity play, given its reduced interior capacity for the sake of outward appearances. So why not indulge in the raw and visceral glory that is the 493 HP Cayenne Coupe GTS? Yes, it's significantly more expensive than the slightly more powerful SE Hybrid, but it's lighter and has a specific GTS suspension tune that makes it the sharpest knife in the drawer. The Cayenne Coupe S and its 468 HP twin-turbo V8 make it a close second for tens of thousands less. But with the clock ticking on unassisted internal combustion powertrains, the ground floor of the Cayenne Coupe powertrain order kicks off with the base model's 348 HP turbocharged 3.0-liter 5.26. Next up is the Hybrid's 463 HP. The Alugian hybrid powertrain comprised of a 335 HP turbo 5.6 and a 139 HP electric motor. The Coupe S uses a twin-turbo V8 to edge ahead with 468 ponies on tap. There's also an SE Hybrid, which uses a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 and an electric motor for a combined 512 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. The top-of-the-line GTS trim is back for 2025, and it comes packing a mightier version of their twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 good for 493 horsepower and 487 pound-feet of torque. That represents increases of 40 horses and 30 pound-feet, respectively, over the 2023 GTS. But the real story is the chassis, which utilizes an air suspension and a laundry list of hardware from the Turbo GT, including its front axle pivot bearings, which provide increased negative wheel camber to help improve steering response. We enjoyed the GTS model's tweaks when we drove it, and it's the driver's car. The lineup options such as adjustable air suspension, four-wheel steering, and active anti-roll bars for flatter cornering are available across the rest of the lineup. We'll update this space with Cayenne Coupe GTS performance metrics after we strap our testing equipment to one later this year. The Cayenne's driver and front passenger face a wall of digital displays that stretch the entire width of the dashboard. In the center is a 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. To the right of that is a secondary and optional 10.9-inch display for the front passenger, which Porsche says can be used to stream video content because it features a safety mechanism that makes it invisible from the driver's vantage point. There's a separate 12.6-inch screen meant just for the driver, nestled behind the steering wheel and projecting vehicle speed, the tachometer, a trip computer, and other functions.